I want to give you a little bit of help with maneuvering around and finding missing assignments. Now, if your teacher has the Grades tab on, you can click here and it'll pull up the grades for that particular course. Now over here, if you'll notice, this one has 100 out of 100, so he scored 100 points out of 100 points. Now if you come over here, this has a line, and if you look, it was due January the 31st at 11:59 p.m. and it was never submitted. Now sometimes it will put a missing notification out there, but like this one didn't get turned in. This one didn't get turned in. And you can go on down. And this one, of course, has a 0 because it's missing as well. I also want to show you that here there's a speaker call out or a speaker box. And if you click that, you will find that your teacher has left you a comment. And in this case, it says, "This is the wrong document, please resubmit." And it has the teacher's name and the date and time in which they wrote the comment. So that can be helpful as well. Now, you can go to each one of these assignments. You can go to modules and click to find each one of these assignments. It can be a little overwhelming at times, especially if it's been a while throughout the semester. However, with the Grades tab, you can click, for example, I'm going to pick this assignment right here. I can click this assignment. It's going to take me to the submission details box. And from there, I can go to the link at the top, and it'll take me directly to that assignment. Hope that helped, and please use that Grades tab to keep up with your Canvas assignments.